Can we just talk about how beautiful this 4,000 piece Lego set? It is the Disney castle, as you could expect. It comes with the little figurines, which are super adorable, but this thing is detailed all the way to the grandfather clock at the top, even that little turret up there. I mean, wow, incredible, 22 inches tall. It's three-dimensional, so it's not like you're just looking at one facade. The entire thing is, you can go around it, it's three-dimensional, and it's gorgeous. It's rated 16 and up because, yes, there's a lot of small pieces, and it is an intricate build. So really cool for a weekend project. I'm probably sure you're going to spend more than a weekend building this. It took us quite a few weeks, actually, to get to it, and it is absolutely incredible. If you're fans of Disney, or you're just fan of like really cool puzzles, really cool Lego builds, this one does not disappoint at all. And I wanted to show you the back of it. When I said three-dimensional, look at all, it's basically got sections, so you could actually see inside the castle. You've got all these really cool details and really cool add-ons. It's so cool to be able to see the castle from another angle as well. And yeah, you could play with it, of course, but it is a display piece, that's for sure.